Hello, today I am going to show you how to make your own Roblox shirt. First, you need to navigate to the Roblox Create page. Go to Documentation. Now, kindly go to Guides and then scroll down and look for Accessories, which is here. Now, click this one and go to Classic Clothing. Now, under Classic Clothing, you can download a shirt template from the Roblox website and just add colors, images, and text. All you need to do is to save this one to serve as your guide and your pattern. Now use any editing application for your shirt. If you don't have Photoshop, you can use Canva. All you have to do is to search Canva and it will take you directly to their website. So as you can see, it is a free design tool for presentation, video, and photo. Here, you need to click Create Design, and then after that, you can choose any of the designs and templates here, and then upload the picture that you have saved from the Roblox, which can be your pattern or your guide as you make your own shirt. So this is what it looks like. Now all you have to do is to drag it here to start. So if you see the boxes here, these are the color and design of your shirt. So we have here up, down, left, and right. Also up, down, left arm, right arm, so on and so forth. So if you wanted to put or edit or change the color, all you have to do is to drag the colors here in the boxes. Same goes with the boxes below. And if you want to add some pictures or emojis or emoticons or any art, yes, you can. Now, once you're done, save the shirt template onto your computer. Now go back to the Roblox application, go to dashboard, click avatar. Now go to shirts, upload your assets here, and then click or drag the photo, write the name, description. So before you spend 10 Robux to upload your shirt, test it on your avatar first in Roblox Studio. Let's go to the web browser, type Roblox, and it will take you to the site again. Go to avatar. So you can see here the product or the output of what you have done with your shirts. So as you can see, you can equip or sell your shirt as you please. All you have to do is to click and see what it looks like. Here it is. Now, if you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and tutorials.